everyone. So as Team Magic Compass, now we cover up restaurants, hotels and cafes in Sri Lanka. So as a very new step forward, we thought of covering up home bakers. Actually, home bakers are hidden over here. It's not very easy to find out where are they located. So as the very first day of ours, we'll find out more about this place.
Hello, I'm Ashmitha and I run Little Miss Shortcake. I live in Dehiwela and I'm a home baker, and so I've always been passionate about baking, and I always wanted to be a chef and open up my little cafe one day. So that is when I thought I'll start on Little Miss Shortcake. So back in 2012, when I started off as a little entrepreneur, I was only 17 and I was baking for my family and friends. Later on, once I finished my studies, I decided to go ahead and put out the word across. So I started off with bake sales at Colombo Food Festival, at the Green Path, at Vihara Mahadevi and places so on. And the word went by, and so I started off with cakes that I specialize, like mud cake, chocolate chip mint cupcakes, passion fruit cake, narang cake, and also I specialize in our family recipe for love cake, which is like the bomb. So I think you should try it. And yeah, so my career in the hotel line also has been around 2 years, and I hope to pursue further and get more experience. And in the future, I hope to put out things like savory items and also like sugar-free items, because currently there is a market for less sugar, be healthy kind of things. So in the future, or very soon, I hope to put out some savory items and like bread products, and also like less sugar stuff that's suitable for people who are looking to stay healthy and stuff, and also chocolates and things. Require 2 days minimum for an order. I also do customized cakes and brownies and desserts. And yeah, feel free to search for me on Facebook and Instagram. And yeah, so I go as Little Miss Shortcake again. Thank you.